Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a really pretty save the date card very easily in PicMonkey, which is, if you're not familiar with PicMonkey, it's just a free online photo editing program that you can use. If you have an internet connection, anybody can use it. So what I'm going to do is just use one of our blank templates to show you guys how easy it is to make your own save the date cards, and it's really cheap to do if you just design and print your own versus ordering them online. So if you're trying to save money on your wedding or engagement budget, this is the way to go. So what I'm going to do is just show you step by step how quick and easy it is. It just takes a couple of minutes to do. So if you open up your internet browser and you go to PicMonkey, PicMonkey.com, just like it's up here, you're going to hover over this edit and you're going to choose computer. You're going to select a blank template from your computer. By this time, you will have downloaded one of our templates to your own computer so that you can just select it from your device. I will use, did you like how I broke out in song? Let's see, which one will I use? I'll use this one here, like a tropical leaf design. I will leave the link down below so that you guys can access these templates as well. Really easy to use, and as you can see, when you open them up, here is the artwork already in place. It's like tropical green, really pretty watercolor looking leaves, and then the header save the date. It's already sized for you at 5x7, so literally all you have to do is add your details, save, and then print. Super easy, so let me just show you how to do it. You're going to go over here on the left and you're going to click on this T icon, and you can see it brings up all the fonts in PicMonkey. It has several free fonts that you can use. Or if you have one that you would prefer to use that you already have on your own computer, you would click on this button here, yours, and it'll bring up the fonts on your computer. But just for today's tutorial, so that you guys can see how simple it is, I'm going to show you using the free fonts in PicMonkey. So I'm going to use this Cardo font, highlighted, and then I'm going to click up here on Add Text. It's going to bring up a text box like this that you can drag and put anywhere you want. So I'm just going to put it about here. I'm going to double click inside the text box, and then I'm going to start typing, and you're going to see the letters are going to be really big, but that's okay because I'm going to fix it. So I'm going to just put Michelle and Josh. I'm going to put a wedding date. I'm just going to highlight it with my mouse. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click these three little lines here to center it. And I'm going to use this little dot here. If you slide it to the right or to the left, it'll make your text bigger or smaller. So I'm going to slide it to the left a little and make it smaller about there. And then I'm going to drag it about here. And then I'm going to add one more little piece here. I'm going to use this really pretty font Coffee Break. And I'm going to click on Add Text again. It'll bring up my text box, and I'm going to drag it down below here. I'm going to double click on the inside of it, and I'm just going to type formal invitation to follow. Really simple, straight to the point, save the date. Nothing fancy, but still really beautiful and elegant. I'm going to make that last line just a little smaller here, maybe about there. And I like it just like that. I might make this a little bit bigger, so let's just go and make that pop a little more, like about there. Drag it up a little. And that's perfect. You don't have to go this simple. If you guys have more detail you want to add to your save the date, if you want to add the venue name, the city and state where you're getting married, or any other little details you want to add on your save the date, that's totally up to you. I just wanted to show you a basic version and how simple it is. So you have a really pretty save the date card here. Took us just a couple minutes to add some text. It's already sized, like I said, at 5x7. And now all you have to do is click up here on export, and it's just going to walk you through saving it to your computer. So you're going to name the file, save it to your desktop or wherever you want to save it, and then you're done. and then you just use that file and you print as many as you need. You can print from home on a home color printer. You can print at a local copy shop like Kinko's or FedEx, or you can also use an online vendor like Vistaprint. Any printing place you can use if you don't want to do it yourself from home. If you do it from home, all you need is smooth white cardstock, which you can purchase at like Walmart, Michael's, really anywhere, Amazon, and it's cheap to do it yourself. So this is a really good way to save money if you're watching your wedding budget, like I think most people try to do, save some money somewhere. And paper products can actually be really expensive. They can add up really quickly. So this is just a fun way and a quick and easy way to have your save the dates done by yourself. So you can download the template instantly, save it to your computer or your device, your tablet, your phone, wherever you want to save it. You don't have to wait for somebody to design it. You can do it yourself. And it's just really easy and I think a really good way to save on wedding planning expenses, which we all know can be outrageous. So if you guys have any questions on these steps, or if you have something that you want me to do a tutorial on, please feel free to leave me a comment, and I'd love to do a tutorial of something that you guys want to see. Or like I said, if you have questions on how to do these templates, I'm more than happy to help you guys. So feel free to leave me a comment, follow us on social media, and we will hear from you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.